A crack in the mirror, it cuts through my face. I chase the lines like a map to my disgrace. The silence hums, it's a heavy kind of song, and I wear the dark like it's where I belong. But the stars still blink in the cold night air, like they know my name, but they just don't care. Shadows in the glass, they're calling me back to the place I lost myself in the black. Every whisper a ghost that I can't outlast. Shadows in the glass, they're all I have. 1,000 pictures hanging in my head. The colors fade, but the paint stays red. I talk to the walls, they don't talk back. I'm a quiet storm on a broken track, but the moon still shines through a crack in the door, like it's telling me I was made for more. Shadows in the glass, they're calling me back to the place I lost myself in the black. Every whisper a ghost that I can't outlast. Shadows in the glass, they're all I have. You left your coat by the door again, like a ghost that lingers where you've been. The air still whispers your name, your sin. But I won't chase shadows down the hall. Won't catch a heart that's bound to fall. You're a ghost in the mirror, fading away. A face I can hold, no reason to stay. I won't cry for what's already gone. Lost love's a chapter, and I'm moving on. Your laugh still echoes in my head, a haunting tune I can't forget. But I've learned to dance with silence instead. The clock keeps ticking, it doesn't rewind. I'm leaving your memory behind. You're a ghost in the mirror, fading away. A face I can hold, no reason to stay. I won't cry for what's I built a castle high in the air, made of whispers, made of care.
But the walls, they fell.
You weren't there.
I chased the echoes, ran through the night,
looking for answers,
lost in the fight.
but the truth was gone.